I've just signed into law the 2026 budget, christened the budget of the economic breakthrough, another fulfillment of the constitutional requirements for checks and balances between the executive and the legislature. When I led the budget a few weeks ago before the House of Assembly, they were just mere estimates to the House. Today, the same document is returned to me as a bill, and my signature, which I've just appended, now makes it a law. This is the beauty. This is the beauty of democracy. The seamless operations of checks and balances for the common good of all of us. I find it truly very delightful that we are ending the 2025 year on this high note. The final bridge between our strategic planning and the economic prosperity which we promised the people of Imo State. I must begin by commending and thanking the leadership and members of Imo State House of Assembly for the wonderful relationship and commitment they have shown over time, which I don't take for granted. I know you must have worked all through the night to be able to do this budget, this expeditious passage. Their dedication is very visible, and the speed with which you work, particularly on issues that concerns the interests of our people, is something that is commendable. I know you must have gone through this budget, looking at what you brought to me, line by line. You must have scrutinized every paragraph to be able to arrive at the point you've gotten. But Imo people, we are proud of you for the cooperation, commitment you've shown all these years, particularly as it has to do with what is required to give Imo State the prosperity we promised. All the things we are able to do as a government wouldn't have been very possible without the cooperation we've gotten from the House of Assembly over years. I want you to know, and I'm very proud, that this budget is unique. It will be a very visionary budget of 1.4 trillion naira. It's a roadmap. Budget is made of revenue and expenditure. When you hear that 1.4 trillion naira has been budgeted, we'll first look for the money before we spend the money. So as a government, we'll work to generate the revenue and not spend the revenue. And you can see how ambitious this year's budget is. A signal that we must fasten our seatbelts to look for the money so we can spend the money for the people. As we sign this budget of economic breakthrough into law today, 31st December 2025, I pledge my continued and total commitment to the service of Uzodimma in the new year. This budget has taken care of, if well implemented, both the small and medium enterprises, local and foreign investors, and all the revenue generating agencies will have an environment to operate. This is the whole idea why it is called budget of economic breakthrough.